Here I got a quick video for you. So today I'm going to be going over a little quick snippet and something that I've been going over with Market Profile, how it is I've been using it and how it's helping me be getting insight and being able to gauge the psychology of other participants. So with that being said, let's get in the video. On this laptop right here, what I use when I analyze my Market Profile is I use the platform TraderView. I don't got that on this computer right now. So what I'm going to do today to make up for it is I'm just going to give you a rundown on everything I do. And in the next video, I'm going to go even more in detail with how I do it so I can actually show you the market profile, the profile shapes I have and how it's been helping me. So real quick, I just wanted to go over. I ask myself, let me see here. What the fuck? Whoa. No. That's a lot. But I asked myself 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I asked myself 5 different questions about market profile, and it helps me gain insight because of my understanding with how I've been studying market profile. So to make it simple for you guys, the 5 questions are we in a bracketing or trending market, and what is the context? Are the profiles balanced or imbalanced? What are the profiles shape and structure on today's intraday session, and what is the context? What phase is the market in? Accumulation, trend, distribution, or trend? And finally, is value area moving along with acting divergent with price? And do we seem to have found fair value where both buyers and sellers are content on one side, or is one side more dominant? And what is the context? So basically, when we're asking for what, if we're in a bracket or a trending market, just overall saying if we're in a trading balance. If we're balanced out and we're in a trading range, or are we actually trending at the moment? We're actually making moves in the market. The reason that's important is because when you see the market profile, if you see a P day, for example, a long liquidation day in a balanced market compared to a trend, that might be different. Because say, for example, if we were bracketing and we had a day, what does that P profile usually mean? That means that the buying usually is not going to continue. It's usually something that sellers are just exiting out of the positions, and it's not new money buyers getting involved. And it might be a little bit different if we're in a bracket, because then it might be all like, oh, okay. Say if we were trending down and we're looking for lower highs, that might be extra confirmation that we can have more downwards movement. But if we're in a bracket, it might, in that context, then it might be a look above and fail. Again, it's all about context of where we are on the chart. Second is, are the profiles balanced or imbalanced, and what is the context? So basically, I look at each profile to see if it's happening within that day session or if it's outside of the previous day session. And then after that, what is the actual profile structure and what is the context? Because that'll actually give you insight into how strong the context is, and it can be a million things. For example, if we had a trend day all inside of a bracketing range, right? And it broke out and above, it gapped up and broke above the previous day's range. That might provide a whole bunch of different context compared to if we just had a trending day and an upwards moving market that isn't bracketing. Again, it all depends, guys. It all depends. Now, in terms of the actual phase of the market, whether it's accumulation, trend, distribution, or trend, it's important to be able to analyze which phase of the market you're in to determine what is likely if we're going to keep bracketing, if we are in a bracket at the moment, or if we will continue to move in one direction. That helps with context to gauge market participation, market strength into which way you're going to be going. And lastly, is value area moving along with price or acting divergent? So basically, if we are moving in one direction and the value area doesn't go along with price, that is another key to be looking at to be a little bit cautious in that situation too, if we're going to be continuing in that direction. So these are all things that you need to consider. I'm going to be able to articulate it better in the next video when I go over with you guys. But again, this is the best I got for right now. This was last minute. It'll be much more prepared later on this week, and you'll actually see the market profiles better. So I'll be able to go step by step, run through on everything that's important. And I'll actually run through market profiles and what they mean. So with that being said, guys, I can't wait to be doing that for you. Today was just a little preview. See you all in the next video. Stay safe, stay green. Peace out, guys. Day trade knockouts out.